Hello everyone. Formalin, an organic compound, is used in preservation of fish and other biological species. Vinegar is used in kitchens for salad and pickling of pickles. Can you guess what are the similarities between formalin and vinegar? Well, both belong to the same group of organic compounds about which we are going to learn in this video. In any given compound, if an oxygen atom is attached to a carbon atom by a double bond, it is called a carbonyl compound. The carbonyl compounds mainly contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen elements. Let's learn about classification of carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds are classified according to the presence of hydrogen, alkyl, aryl, hydroxyl, alkoxy, acyl, chlorine or amino groups attached to the carbonyl group. If one hydrogen and one alkyl or aryl group is attached to a carbonyl compound, then the compound is an aldehyde. If two alkyl groups or aryl groups are attached to the carbonyl carbon, the compound is a ketone. If one alkyl or aryl group and one hydroxyl group is attached to the carbonyl carbon, the compound is a carboxylic acid. If a carboxyl group is attached to an alkyl group, the compound is called an alkanoic acid or fatty acid. But if the carboxyl group is attached to an aromatic nucleus, the compound is called an aromatic acid. Let's talk about derivatives of carboxylic acids. Some important derivatives are prepared from carboxylic acids. The acyl group is present in each of these derivatives. If the hydrogen of the carboxyl group of carboxylic acids is replaced by an alkyl or aryl group, an ester is formed. However, if it is replaced by an acyl group, an anhydride is formed. If the hydroxyl group of the carboxyl group of carboxylic acid is replaced by chlorine, an acid chloride is formed. And if it is replaced by the amino group, an amide is formed. Aldehydes and ketones have the same general formula, CnH2NO, but different functional groups therefore are called functional group isomers. For example, propanol CH3CH2CHO and propanone CH3COCH3 have the same molecular formula, that is C3H6O. But their functional groups are different. Let's summarize. Carbonyl compounds contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen elements. Classification of carbonyl compounds: aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. Derivatives of carboxylic acids: ester, anhydride, acid chloride and amide. Carbonyl compounds rule the globe. Yes, they are present in almost all organic compounds that we come across in our daily lives, like insecticides, germicides, fungicides, and in manufacturing of plastics, synthetic fibers, etc. Stay tuned to learn more about the nomenclature of these compounds in the upcoming videos.